The DYSON V7 and V8 are very easy to dump the canisters. You just pull up on this handle like that and it dumps out the canister. But let's say that you want to take this part off in order to wash it once in a while. How do you do that? Well, if you look in here, you'll see a red button there, and there's a red button also on the other side right here. So these red buttons have to be pushed. You only have to push on one side. So you can push on this side, yep, and it slides out. Let's try the other side. It's clipped in now. If we push on the other side and then pull out the top of the canister, the Cyclones, and it slides right out. Now you need to remove the bottom of the canister, and in order to do that, you flip it over, and there's a latch right here. You pull on this latch, and then you slide the canister right out. Okay? So now you have the canister and the Cyclone assembly separated, and you can just rinse these out with water and let them air dry to clean them once in a while. To reassemble these together, you take the canister and you're going to slide it in like this. Just like that. Let me do it again. So you put it in so the connectors are right below the connectors on the motor head, and then snap it in and slide it up. And then it should snap in place. Now you don't want to close the bottom yet. You're going to slide the Cyclone assembly rail into the slots here at the top. And you want to make sure that both sides of the rail are in the slot. And then slide that down. It's going to clip into place. You can slide all the way down, and then you can close the bottom of the canister. And that's it. Your vacuum is now reassembled.